So today we're gonna be showing you how to make a lectin-free shepherd's pie.
Smells so delicious.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait to eat these. Let's go, let's make it.
Let's get started. Okay, great. So we have peeled, chopped, and boiled these for about 30 minutes or until tender. Depending on the amount, that'll vary the time. I've boiled about 6 sweet potatoes. So let's start mashing. Make sure you drain your sweet potatoes before mashing. Once your sweet potatoes are mashed, you're ready to season them. I'm going to add onion powder. About 2 teaspoons. Italian seasoning. About 1 teaspoon. Some parsley. Half a teaspoon. Chives. Half a teaspoon as well. Garlic powder. 1.5 teaspoons. And some black pepper. I'm also gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. And then I'm just gonna mix this together. Now while you're doing that, you want to go ahead and put your oven to 350 to preheat. So now we're ready to layer our shepherd's pie. So I want to start with the meat. If you want this recipe, you can go ahead and request that in the comments. We'll be happy to share the recipe. We have here grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef that my husband graciously seasoned. What's good about this type of shepherd's pie is you want to go ahead and make your meat very savory, right? To give a nice contrast with the sweetness of the sweet potato. And you just want to go ahead and spread that. And just make it as even as possible. Very nice. And then after that, you just want to go ahead and add your sweet potatoes on top. I put it in globs, that way it's easier for me to spread without ruining the bottom layer. Look at me making a mess like my husband. Go ahead and even it out. Now that you have your sweet potato layer, you're ready for the cheese. And we have here A2 cheese mozzarella, shredded. We're gonna go ahead and add that on. We also have A2 cheddar. We're going to cover the top. My husband's the cheese man, so I gotta go ahead and make sure he approves. There's some cheese on it. You want more of one or the other?
Yes, it's great.
Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil and pop it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until the cheese has fully melted and those flavors have really combined together. And then we wanna uncover it for about another 5 just to make the cheese nice and toasty.